Math problems solutions of standard 4. Question number 1. Rohan bought a notebook for rupees 35.50, a pen for rupees 12, and a geometry box for rupees 65.50. He paid the shopkeeper with a rupees 150 note. How much change did Rohan receive? Answer. Total spent rupees 35.50 plus rupees 12 plus rupees 65.50 is rupees 113. Change received rupees 150 minus rupees 113, rupees 37. Rohan received rupees 37 change. Question number 2. Priya saves rupees 15 every day from her pocket money. How much money will she have saved after 3 weeks? Answer. Total days 3 weeks into 7 days per week, 21 days. Total saved 21 days into rupees 15 per day, rupees 315. Priya will have saved rupees 315 after 3 weeks. Question number 3. A tailor has a roll of fabric that is 9 meters long. He uses 2 meters and 40 centimeters of fabric for a dress and 1 meter and 50 centimeters for a shirt. How much fabric is left on the roll? Answer. 9 meters is 900 centimeters. Total used 240 centimeter for dress plus 150 centimeter for shirt is 390 centimeter. Fabric left 900 minus 390 centimeter, 510 centimeter. 5 meters and 10 centimeters of fabric is left. Question number 4. A farmer harvested 1200 kilogram of potatoes. He packed them equally into 80 large sacks. What is the weight of the potatoes in one sack? Answer. Weight per sack 1200 divided by 80, 15. The weight of the potatoes in one sack is 15 kilogram. Question number 5. A movie started at 2:30 p.m. and lasted for 2 hours and 15 minutes. What time did the movie finish? Answer. Start time 2:30 p.m. Add 2 hours. 2:30 p.m. plus 2 hours, 4:30 p.m. Add 15 minutes. 4:30 p.m. plus 15 minutes is 4:45 p.m. The movie finished at 4:45 p.m. Question number 6. A bus leaves the station at 8:15 a.m. and takes 1 hour and 40 minutes to reach the next town. What time will the bus arrive at the next town? Answer. Start time 8:15 a.m. Add 1 hour. 8:15 a.m. plus 1 hour, 9:15 a.m. at 40 minutes. 9:15 a.m. plus 40 minutes is 9:55 a.m. The bus will arrive at 9:55 a.m. Question number 7. Mrs. Sharma planted 40 seedlings in her garden. 1/5 of the seedlings were tomatoes plants and the rest were chili plants. How many chili plants did she plant? Answer. Total seedlings 45. Tomato plants 45 divided by 5 is 9. Chili plants 45 minus 9 36. She planted 36 chili plants. Question number 8. A factory produced 500 chocolates. They packaged them into boxes of 15 chocolates each. How many full boxes could they make? How many chocolates were left over? Answer. 500 divided by 15 is 33, remainder 5. They could make 33 full boxes. 5 chocolates were left over. Thank you.